In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Google Drive. First, start by logging into Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website, then sign in with your Google account. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you use more than one. This helps ensure the folder ends up in the right place. Once you're in, go to your Drive. You'll know you're in the right spot if you see the main area with your files and folders, often labeled My Drive. This is your personal space where your new folder will live. If you already see your files and folders listed, you're ready for the next step. Now right-click in an empty area within your drive. If you're using a trackpad or a device that doesn't have a traditional right-click, you can usually perform a two-finger click or hold the Control key while clicking. Be sure you're clicking on the blank space and not on an existing file or folder so the correct menu appears. From the menu that pops up, select Create New Folder. Depending on your interface, it might simply say New Folder, but the option serves the same purpose. If you don't see it immediately, check that you're in the main drive area and not inside a document preview or another context. Choosing this option opens a small window that prompts you to name the folder. Next, name your folder. Pick a clear descriptive name so you and your collaborators can find it easily later. Consider including dates, project names, or consistent prefixes if you organize many files. Avoid special characters that could cause confusion and keep the name concise but meaningful. A good name makes your drive cleaner and saves time when searching. Finally, click Create. Google Drive will add the new folder to your current location, and you'll see it appear instantly in your file list. If you don't see it right away, try a quick refresh or sort your files by last modified to bring it to the top. You can open the folder by clicking on it and start adding files, but for now, you've successfully completed the setup. That's all there is to it. You logged into Google Drive, went to your drive, right-clicked, selected Create New Folder, named your folder, and clicked Create. Following these simple steps helps keep your files organized and easy to manage, especially as your projects grow. Thanks for watching, and keep your drive tidy for smoother work every day.